Hi everybody, it's Maureen Lein, your local lender with rates, here with this week's Mortgage Minute. This is where I break down what's happening in the market and how it affects interest rates and impacts you. So it's been another eventful week in the market. Yesterday, mortgage rates had their best day of the month, with the top tier 30-year fixed rates dropping about 0.08%. Now, today's move, however, looks more like a pause, with interest rates starting to back up modestly. But in the bigger picture, these rates are about halfway between the highs seen in late March and the lowest rates in more than 3 years seen at the end of February. Now, existing home sales, well, those came in weaker than expected. The market was actually anticipating a relatively flat reading for March, but instead, sales declined by 3.6% month over month and are now down about 1% year over year. Builder confidence, well, that also fell to a 7-month low in April as rising mortgage rates, geopolitical tensions, and surging construction costs weakened demand and squeezed margins, which then dampened the momentum in the spring housing market. But even with these slower sales, everybody, home prices are still rising, with the median price up 1.4% year over year to over about $408,000. And we're also seeing inventory improving just slightly. We also then got insight from the Realtor Confidence Index, which showed the homes are now sitting on the market for about 41 days. That is faster than last month when it was 47 days, but it's still slower than this time last year at about 36 days. So homes are still moving, but buyers seem to be taking a bit more time and being more selective. In regards to mortgage applications, well, we saw a small dip in purchase activity, and so now basically flat year over year. Bottom line, everybody, for you is timing the market perfectly is still nearly impossible. The key, well, it's making a move when it makes sense for your goals. So if you're thinking of buying, refinancing, or just want to talk game plan, you know you can reach out to me anytime. If you like this, please share and like, and I look forward to seeing you next week.